Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
The 2018 Civic Type R now begins at $34,100, a $215 value knock over the past model in spite of no different changes. As sometime recently, the new CTR utilizes Honda's Mark turbocharged 2.0-liter VTEC motor, which produces 306 pull and 295 pound-feet of torque. Honda's Super Bring Forth is stacked with other execution treats like a 6-speed manual transmission, constrained slip differential, torque steer relieving suspension, and versatile damper framework for a more agreeable ride. Regardless of its energetic nature, the new Type R is basically a completely stacked Civic. This implies satellite route, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay cell phone coordination, and numerous other common luxuries found on other Civic trims are standard on the center. Honda's security suite is no special case, so the Type R is furnished with brake assist, electronic brake distribution, stability assist, traction control, and a multi-edge rear view camera. Stylish and filled with the latest tech and safety features, the 2018 Honda Civic is perfect for anyone looking for a spacious, fuel-efficient and reliable commuter car that's fun to drive. Enthusiasts will like the 205 horsepower Civic C Coupe or Sedan, and the 306 horsepower Civic Type R hatchback is destined to become a legend.